Okay. Everybody's having a great time. Children blowing the butterfly. Oh, what are those things? Oh. Everybody's having a good time.
Atmosphere, get the feeling, boy. Somebody to cuff you up. Somebody say, I want to see Florida so bad.
All right. The music on top of the noise. The DJ on top of the noise. What a time. What a time, what a time, what a time. Somebody says it's just a party. It's party or noise? Is it noise pollution? Or is it noise fun? Is it noise that make you have a great time? Oh, it's all, let me ask that question another way. Is all pollution bad? There could be some good pollution. So I'm gonna make a cut through here and see what I can find. Seem to be a little bit less noisier down through here. I don't see any large jukeboxes. I hear generators running. People trying to talk. Kids blowing bubbles. So I don't know. No large jukeboxes on this side. There's seems like I hear some of my kind of music. Let's see. Let me go to the creek. There's some noise across the creek. Sound like Bobby Blaine. Y'all know Bobby Blue Blaine? Ow! Yep, that's Bobby. He was introduced to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame back in the early 50s, I believe. His hit song was Members Only. It's a private party. Somebody know what I'm talking about. Okay. All right, entering into a new arena. Party has left. All right. Hey, y'all. Yep.